Hello and welcome to my cooking channel.
Our cooking channel.
And today I am very happy that Danny is making a video with me again.
Yay!
And I am wearing the best shirt for this video because we are going to make
Taste of summer.
yes, which is
Cookie?
No,
Oh, ice cream.
ice cream. Yeah. So we are going to make chocolate ice cream, and Danny, you remember all the ingredients? I can help you a little bit.
Sugar. Cacao.
Yeah. What else?
Salt.
No.
Salt. And vanilla. Vanilla.
Yeah, that's a hard word. We have to use ice cubes too. They are still in the freezer, but we'll get them out.
Oh, and since we're making ice cream, we don't want to forget ice cream cones, which you can get in any store.
Yep. So those are our ingredients, and now we can get started. Okay. Now we need to start by putting our ice cubes in the food processor. We can use 2.5 cups.
That's a lot of ice.
Yep. And see how far we get with that. Then we can add our salt. Just a pinch.
A pinch.
And next is the
Vanilla.
vanilla. We can put 4 drops. Okay, this is actually vanilla oil, so this is stronger than vanilla extract. We put 1 cup of sugar. Oh, Danny, are you going to mix?
Okay, I'll mix just like last time.
And last but not least, cacao.
Cacao.
We use 3/4 cup.
A cup.
Now we've already put everything together. We just need to mix it.
Mix. Can I do it?
Sure you can. Danny, are you ready for mixing?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna push the button.
Go for it.
3,
2,
2,
1. Alright, that's good. Now, this already looks like ice cream, doesn't it, Danny?
Uh-huh.
Oh no, what happened to your mouth? You need some help?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's close that mouth.
Yeah.
Better?
A little better.
Okay. Did you taste it?
No, I think not.
You want to taste it?
Yeah.
And see if it's good? Is it good?
Almost tastes like ice cream.
Alright, that's good. So, we have to put that in the freezer, and then once it's all frozen, we can scoop it and put it on the ice cream cones.
Yay!
Danny, you want to say something?
Say something?
Yeah, about Ellie?
Oh yeah, about Ellie. He is a really cool YouTuber. Did I say right?
Yeah, you did.
Okay, so basically he's been helping us out with our videos, and without him we probably wouldn't be here today.
So, what do you want people to do?
Well, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and then subscribe to Ellie's channel to give him support. He is now at 49 subscribers, so if you get him to 50 subscribers, that will make his day.
And what's the name of his channel?
Ellie Clements, or you could just find it in the description below.
Okay. Thank you, Danny. And
You're
we
welcome.
say bye,
Bye.
and thanks for watching.